Today, I'm going on a whitewater rafting adventure with my family in the Canadian Rockies. I'll show you exactly what it's like to paddle down the Kicking Horse River, giving you a front row seat on the raft. We're going with one of the best rafting companies in Golden, British Columbia, Glacier Rafting. Checking out those views already, mountains everywhere. Yep, that's our raft. Greta's right behind me, and my boys are right in front of me. We're about to feel the rush of white water, maybe even a glacier swim and a cold sip from a mountain stream. And you're coming along with us. Let's get going on this adventure. All right, let's pick up the story in Golden, BC, in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Hey, this is Jay with Traveling Islanders, and we're here in Golden, British Columbia. We got the boys with us. We got Greta with us. There's our rafts behind us. We are rafting with Glacier Raft Company. We have never rafted before on the Kicking Horse River, and we're looking forward to this adventure. You're coming along too. It's supposed to be a beautiful, hot summer day. It's gonna be great. Let's get rolling. Check out the rafts stacked high and ready to go. Energy and anticipation, well, it's buzzing everywhere. Big welcome from one of the guides, a quick chat about the day, what's coming, and just how epic that Kicking Horse River can be. Okay, next up, helmets, wetsuits, life jackets, paddles. Now we're looking like real whitewater rafters. We were ready for rafting, but first, shall we hop on the river shuttle bus so we don't have to walk? I think so. As we wind through the Rockies, making our way to the river, the view did not disappoint. Canadian Rockies beauty everywhere. All right, we arrived on the shoreline and the rafts are getting ready. It is going to be a great day on the river. There's Greta, there's Titus, getting our helmets on, our life jackets, our first whitewater rafting trip in the Canadian Rockies. Here we go. Time for a second quick instruction talk before hitting the water. Just like a plane safety briefing. Might never need it, but it's important to know what to do if someone falls out, because that someone, well, it might be you. Shall we hop in and meet the rest of our crew? Let's do it. It's time to go whitewater rafting. Push off, paddle in, and here we go. That was huge. Pretty nice, man. Well, that was a blast. What a wild way to kick things off and really get the blood pumping. A perfect start to our time on the Kicking Horse River. Well, the upper river is known as the family section. It absolutely begins with a surge of adrenaline-charged rapids, but it's best known for its breathtaking scenery and easygoing section of the river. And so now, it's time to float. But this isn't any ordinary float. This is a Canadian Rockies float. Everywhere you look, there's something spectacular. Cliffs, mountain peaks, endless forests, and glacier-fed water all around us. And we've got front row seats to it all. There are still a few rapids in this section to keep things lively, but mostly it's calm enough to relax and just soak it all in. It truly feels like floating through a moving painting, one you get to paddle right through with your family. That first section gave us a taste of the adventure ahead, but don't settle in too much to this floating time. The river has more surprises waiting just after lunch in the middle section of the river. For now though, it's time to let the current set the pace, enjoy the conversation, and for me, the best part is watching my family unwind and take it all in. Trips like this are the kind families never forget. Okay, it's time to introduce you to our amazing river guide, straight from Chile. We just love his accent. And this guy knows the river inside and out. Every rapid, every bend, he's ready for it. Watching him anticipate the rapids, it's like he knows the river like the back of his hand, so he can give us the best experience possible. Absolutely incredible. Whoa, hold on, another raft is sneaking up on us. Water fight time. Glacier water is freezing, but it just makes it that much more fun. My boys go all out and totally crush the other boat. Did we win? Oh, definitely. And now, a day in the river wouldn't be complete without a glacier swim opportunity. Not me though, but Cohen, he takes the plunge right off the side of the boat. Instantly, his face says it all. Shock. Glacier cold. But then that grin, I can tell he's so glad he did it. You can feel it. All these experiences combined together on the water are what whitewater rafting is all about. After all this rafting, we've definitely worked up a big appetite. Good thing it's time to pull over because lunch is waiting. All right, we're here at our lunch spot, just pulled over. We had a great morning so far. Looking forward to seeing what we have for lunch and refuel because we've worked up a big appetite, and then we'll get back on the river for the rest of our trip. And I hear there's gonna be more rapids coming up at a certain section because there's different groups that are doing the beginning and then the second section. So let's see what we're having for lunch and fuel up. And look at this, a full barbecue picnic laid out just for us by our river guides. Choices today, beef burger, chicken burger, or sausage dog. Greta and I are gonna go beef, classic choice, and the boys grab chicken. But really, the best part isn't what's on the plate, it's where we're eating. Picnic tables right by the river. Moments like this remind me, it's not just about the adventure, it's about who you get to share it with. This is more than lunch. It's the pause that makes the next stretch even sweeter. Now we're fueled up, time to suit up, find our river guide, and get back in the raft and push off. Because the middle section of the kicking horse is waiting. Stronger currents, bigger drops, faster whitewater, just around the bend. It's time to dig in, hang on, and hit some rapids. Here we go. What a rush! One last stop before the day ends. A mountain stream straight from the Canadian Rockies. Ice cold, pure, perfect. A sip like this, unforgettable. But today wasn't just about rapids. It was about hours together, laughing, paddling, making new family stories, and Greta and I watching our teens relax and enjoy it all. Moments like this, they last. Family experiences that stick with you forever. That's priceless. Time together in one of the most epic places on earth, the Canadian Rockies. Glacier rafting, unforgettable. Well, we made it to our takeout. We got the raft out of the water, and we had a great adventure with Glacier Rafting Company. It was so good being on the kicking horse. So many great family memories, and we're just going to get on the bus now, put the rafts back, and if you want more adventures with Traveling Islanders, visit travelingislanders.com to inspire you to go on an adventure of your own, or don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.